Today we have an easy job on the GX460. We're going to be replacing the fluid in the transfer case of this vehicle. We've already replaced the front differential, rear differential, and transmission fluid in this vehicle. So to complete this job, we need a socket set, a fluid catch pan. This is our oil spill mat. Link below for this, we have washers or gaskets as Lexus calls it, level, wheel chocks, torque wrench. This is a pump to pump our new fluid into the vehicle. This one does not require a pump. We have this extra. We have 75W90 Valvoline fluid. This is compatible with the OEM and it's a bit cheaper than the OEM. The vehicle is level. This helps us ensure that we fill the vehicle to the correct fluid level. With wheel chocks in place, let's crawl underneath the vehicle. Between the front of the vehicle and the rear of the vehicle, you'll find the transfer case. And on the back side of the transfer case, you'll find the drain plug and up here the fill plug. These are 24 millimeters. Before we get too far in this job, we're going to want to ensure that we can loosen these up. We don't want to drain the fluid, only find that we cannot fill the fluid because the fill plug is stuck. So with 24 millimeter socket, let's see if we can loosen this up. The fill plug is loose, and let's check the drain plug. The drain plug is also now loose. So with the fluid container ready to catch our old fluid, let's pull out the plug. Make sure that you remove the old washer along with the plug and take out the fill plug as well. The fill plug also has a washer, make sure that comes off as well. The drain and fill plugs appear to be completely identical, so let's remove the original washers and replace with your new washers. These washers are aluminum. That's important because the transfer case housing is also aluminum. These washers have a flat side and a side that's got a little bit more of a rounded edge to it. Put the flat side of the washer facing down toward the head of the bolt. The fluid has sufficiently drained, so I'm going to reinstall my drain plug. With a torque wrench, tighten that down to 27 foot-pounds. We fitted our new gear oil container with our pump kit. The kit comes with many attachments to attach to many different bottle sizes. And we have this in case we run out because the fluid level right now is down here. I used most of this fluid previously for some different jobs. From here, put the gear oil tube into the fill on the transfer case and begin to pump the new fluid in. Pump the new fluid in until you see fluid dribbling out of the fill hole. That indicates the transfer case is completely full. I ran out of fluid in the large container because it was mostly used up already from prior jobs, so I'm going to use this bag type material. This one doesn't require a pump, you just squeeze in the fluid. The excess fluid is flowing out. This is a good sign the transfer case is full. The fluid has slowed to a dribble, so let's reinstall our fill plug and tighten to 27 foot-pounds. This job was quite easy, and with less than 1 hour invested, this Lexus GX460 is ready to roll another 50,000 miles. I hope this helps you with your project.